Hello, this is Dan and I'm teaching myself piano. Today, I think I want to actually try to review what I've been doing, the inversions, all of the inversions of all of the major chords, which I believe from trying to play music in the past will be incredibly valuable to be able to recall these instantaneously. And then once I've done that, I want to actually go into trying with some minor chords. So, together with major and minor chords and their inversions, that's a lot. That's a lot to start with, and pretty much we can play songs fluently. So that's what I'm hoping for. Of course, there are other aspects to piano, like playing melody on the right hand and stuff like that. But I don't, I gotta approach those things later. For now, let's do these chords. So let's go through the usual routine: C, F, and G. Standard form, right? D, E, A. B. Alright, black keys. D flat. E flat. And A flat. G flat. And B flat. Alright, let's do the first inversions. C. First inversion. The note all the way to the right is our root note. F. G. D. E. And A. B. Alright, black keys. D flat. You know what? I just froze here. Oh boy. It's been a couple days. Here we go. There we go. D flat. E flat. And A flat. G flat. And B flat. Alright, not bad. Second inversion, C. Second inversion has it in the middle. F. G. D. Took a minute for it to load there. E. And A. B. Black keys. D flat. Alright, that was a fail. Let's review this again here. So D flat, these are the notes in D flat. So it's like this. I'm actually remembering last time I said I wanted to do some note things, so maybe I can do that today too. D flat, E flat, and A flat. G flat, and B flat. I'm going to just rip through all of them. I'm going to do the standards, first inversion, second inversion without saying anything. Let's go. Alright, I think that's everything. Let's start to practice some of the notes for these chords, and then I'm going to do a little bit of major, a little bit of minor at the end, time permitting. Okay, so C chord, C, E, G, right? F chord, F, A, C, right? Am I getting that wrong? F, G, A, B, C, F, A, C. Shows you how much I've practiced the notes of the F chord. So C is C, E, G. The root is C, the middle note is E, and the fifth is G. For F, root is F, the third is A, and the fifth is C. For G, root is G, third is B, fifth is D. So let's go through C, F, G again. C, E, G, F, A, C, G, B, D. Let's do the D chord. You have D, F sharp, A. For E chord, E, G sharp, B. E, G sharp, B. And for the A chord, A, C sharp, E. So let's review those again. For the D chord, D major, D, F sharp, A. For the E chord, E, G sharp, B. Right? E, G sharp, B. For A, C sharp, E. And those are the roots, the thirds, and the fifths respectively. For the B major chord, we have B, D sharp, F sharp. B, D sharp, F sharp. These keys have, in the key signatures, they use sharps. Some keys use flats, but these use sharps. So B, D sharp, F sharp. B, D sharp, F sharp. That's for the B chord. For the black keys, so if we're in a D flat major, oh boy, you know, I might have to do more practice in the key signatures, but I'm pretty sure D flat uses flats. So this would be D flat, F, A flat. D flat, F, A flat, right? So just like the D chord is D, F sharp, A, this is D flat, F, A flat. Everything gets flattened one. And this would be E flat, G, B flat, A, C, E flat. So just like D, key of D, key of E, key of A, the notes here are the same notes actually as those have, just everything is flattened by one. So like A, key of A is A, C sharp, E. So this is A flat. The C is not sharp anymore. It's C now. And then this is not E. This is E flat. A flat, C, E flat. For D flat, F, A flat. And for E flat, E, G flat. I'm sorry, E, G, B flat. Just like how a key of E has E, G sharp, B. This is E flat, G is made natural, and then B is made flat too. Alright, and then we have G flat, G flat, B flat, D flat. Just like G, B, D, G flat, D flat, D flat. And then for B flat major, we have B flat, D, whoops, what am I doing? B flat, yeah, so B flat, D, and F. B flat, D, F. B flat, D, F. So B has B, D sharp, F sharp. So we're making the B flat, the D sharp to D, and F sharp to an F. So again, B flat, D, F. All right, so those are our notes, and I'm gonna be practicing those because I need some work. Shame on me for being so lazy all these years, but it's just something that I gotta actually take the time, put in that time, and get to know the notes and the chords and stuff by heart. I've been doing on the guitar through these years. I mean, I can count on my fingers and figure out what notes need to be figured out in the context, and I usually think more in terms of numbers and shapes. But having the knowledge of the names definitely can't hurt for learning the piano and going with the inversions and whatnot, reading music and all of that. So let's see. So minor chords. So let's start with minor chords today. So we're going to try and see if the same kind of shape relationships occur between the C, the F, and the G, and the D, the E, and the A, right? And we can leverage that if that works. So let's see. So C, and it's like a C major chord, but we're going to make the third flat in the third. That's a minor chord, C minor. Let's go to F minor. So that's the same shape as the C minor. And the G minor should be the same shape also. So this, we want to burn this into our muscle memory here. C minor, F minor, G minor. Okay, so that's C minor, F minor, whoops, what am I doing? And G minor. And then D, E, and A. D, so D minor, this is D major, so D minor is going to be like this. Okay, so D minor, E minor, and A minor. I'm actually familiar with these because I can play pretty much, play in the key of C fairly well. I mean, I don't play well, but I can find the chords quick in the key of C. But let's see, so D, E, and A have the same shape, those minor chords. So cool. And then B, this is B major, so this would be B minor. Alright, let's go over all the white keys. C minor, F minor, and G minor. Cool, then D minor, E minor, and A minor. Cool. And then B minor. Yes. Alright, cool. Let's do let's try the flat keys here. So we have D flat, E flat, and A flat should all have the same shape as well as each other, so that'll help us knock off 3 out of 5. So D flat major is like this. So the third has to go down. So that's a D flat minor. So D flat minor, E flat minor. Oh, we got something interesting here. We're using a black key for the E flat. So D flat, E flat, and A flat. So D flat and E flat don't directly correspond here in terms of the exact shape. Good to know. Let's see about A flat, A flat. So the A flat minor and the C flat minor, D flat minor I should say, have the same exact shape as each other. And here it's the same interval, but it turns out to be a black key because we don't have the E, this E, F, and the half step thing going on between the two white keys. Okay, so let's review that again. D flat minor, E flat minor, and A flat minor. Let's do F flat minor, and B flat minor. Cool. All right. Let's try to get through all of that and we call it a video today. C, F. Oh, whoops, what am I doing? Minors. C, F, and G minor. D minor. E minor. And A minor. B minor. D flat minor. E flat minor. And A flat minor. F flat minor. G flat minor I should say. G flat minor. And B flat minor. All right. I'm starting to feel good. Got to learn all those minors and their inversions. Cool.